Today we are uncovering all 13 items. So enter a world full of magic and mystery with Maniology's 2023 Halloween Countdown Box. Enjoy 13 creative surprises inspired by the spookiest season of the year. The carnival waits. But when you open your box, you have a fun little box of magic countdown booklet that has everything you need. Can kick off your inspiration. Let's not forget too, in each box you will be getting this really cute baddie sticker. Now, the good part. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yay! Look at that. So let's start off with number 1. For this one, we are getting a Boo Balloon Monocle Stamper. And here is the scraper card. Very cute. I love this, it's so cute. And for those stamper lovers, this is a collect them all kind of item because this is exclusive to the box. So the next thing, number 2. Look at this plate. This is M409. So you got some fun balloons, some streamers. Really love this bat here. So a lot of really fun concepts here. So now we got 3. What color do we think we're getting here? We got this beautiful slimy green called Trickster. I'm really digging this color green for the Halloween season. Maybe my nails next time might actually be this color. We'll see. Next we got a new plate. See number 4. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, really bringing in that carnival vibe. And look at all of these really cute designs. All different kinds of pumpkins that really kind of scream circus. And we are moving on to number 5. Look at that tiny little thing. Ooh, what do we have here? Look at those little gumdrop nail jewels of all different sizes too. This is super, super cute. And they have all different kinds of finishes and stuff in them too. So now we are on 6. So here we go. Ooh, we got some carnival treats, some sweet treats here with the donuts, all of these candies and sweet treats and lollipops. Moving on, we are at item 7. Look at that. Don't know what it is? Oh my goodness. This is the tool needed of all tools. I absolutely love to use them for stickers, and it's double-sided. You get this cuticle pusher, nice kind of like silicone cuticle pusher, so it's dual-sided, and the color is just perfect for Halloween. Moving on to item 8. Ooh, we got a very, very nice smoky gray smoke show. How fitting. Perfect for this Halloween season. Very, very nice. Another cream opaque polish. Love it. Number 9. Let's see what this is all about. Ooh, a lot of individual designs here. So magic, mystical. Love these, like the all-seeing eye here. We got a lantern and like these really cute smoke plumes. So now we are going on to 10. And look at that! Perfect to now house all of your new stamping plates into this nail plate organizer. So now you have a place to store all of your new Halloween plates for this year. Okay, we are at 11. Looks like there is a polish waiting for us. Ooh, look at that. Yes, it is very purple. It's a beautiful, beautiful cream, opaque purple stamping polish. Very, very nice. Now all of the polishes are open. Look at those. Perfect combination for Halloween. Second to the last, 12. Okay, so here we have all wrapped up tight. And look, your very own Lotus Go Mat with a new cute design. This is our smallest size that we have, but it's perfect for testing, for protecting your workspace. It's just a perfect little tool to have. And I love the new design. Love, love, love. And now we're at the end. So let's go ahead and see what designs are on 13. Very, very nice. This is M412. And there you have it. That is the complete unboxing of the Box of Magic. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Give me some magic ball in the comments if you really enjoyed this.